Welcome to Silent Stories. Today we unravel the fascinating world of banking, a cornerstone of modern society that impacts every aspect of our lives. What is a bank and why does it exist? A bank is a financial institution that acts as a bridge between those who have extra money and those who need it. Imagine this. You deposit money into your bank account. Instead of letting it sit idle, the bank lends it to someone else who needs a loan. But how does this work without compromising your access to your funds? Banks operate on trust, ensuring your money is available while they use it to generate income. Banks make profits through a simple formula. They pay you interest on your savings but charge borrowers a higher interest rate on loans. The difference is their profit. They also earn money through service fees, things like account maintenance, ATM usage, and late payment charges. Now, let's dive into the different types of banks. Commercial banks are the ones we interact with the most, handling personal accounts, loans, and everyday transactions. Investment banks, on the other hand, focus on helping businesses raise money through stocks and bonds and advising on mergers and acquisitions. Central banks like the Federal Reserve are the big players. They regulate the money supply, oversee other banks, and set interest rates to stabilize the economy. For individuals like you and me, banks offer a wide range of services. Savings accounts let you store money safely while earning interest. Checking accounts make managing daily finances easy. You can pay bills, make purchases, and withdraw cash conveniently. Need financial help? Banks provide loans for personal use, education, buying a home, or starting a business. They also offer credit cards, which let you borrow money instantly for short-term needs to be paid back with interest. Beyond these basics, banks help people invest. They offer advice and tools to grow wealth through mutual funds, bonds, and retirement plans. Security is another critical aspect of banking. Banks use advanced technology to protect your money from theft and fraud. Many countries have deposit insurance, guaranteeing your money up to a certain amount even if the bank fails. In recent years, digital banking has transformed how we interact with banks. With a few taps on your phone, you can check your balance, transfer funds, or pay bills. This convenience has been powered by technological advances, including mobile apps and digital wallets. However, with digital ease comes the need for vigilance. Be cautious about sharing sensitive information to protect against cyber threats. Banks are also vital to the economy. They fund businesses, create jobs, and stimulate growth by lending money to entrepreneurs and companies. In times of crisis, such as economic downturns, banks can face challenges like loan defaults or reduced customer activity. Governments often step in to stabilize the system because a strong banking sector is essential for a healthy economy. Inflation is another area where banks play a role. Central banks adjust interest rates to control the flow of money and keep inflation in check. For example, raising interest rates can slow spending, reducing inflation, while lowering rates encourages borrowing and investment. Banks also promote financial inclusion by offering services to underserved populations, helping reduce poverty and improve lives. Sustainability is becoming a priority for banks. Many are now financing renewable energy projects and environmentally friendly initiatives. This shift toward green banking is part of the global effort to combat climate change. When choosing a bank, it's important to consider your needs: low fees, high savings rates, or robust customer service. Always read the fine print. Understanding terms and conditions can save you from unexpected fees or obligations. Looking ahead, the future of banking is exciting. Innovations like artificial intelligence are making processes faster and more efficient. Blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies are challenging traditional banking methods, offering decentralized alternatives. Despite these changes, trust remains the cornerstone of banking. Transparency and customer satisfaction will always be essential. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of banking. We hope you found this explanation insightful and empowering. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Silent Stories for more engaging content. Your support helps us keep exploring the topics that shape our lives.